Okay, good morning, dear students. Today we are going to begin a new chapter from our English treasure. Okay, only one chapter we had left in our syllabus, and that chapter is chapter number 11, the Marogue. Okay, the Marogue, which is a poem. Okay, this is a short poem and very interesting poem. You would like it. Okay, and the poet is R.C. Scriven. Okay, the person who had written or who had composed this poem is R.C. Scriven. Okay, and the name of the poem is the Marogue. Okay, do you know what is Marogue? Okay, can you see on the page number 102, chapter number 11, because we had already completed chapter number 12, Birbal. Okay, after chapter number 8 we just jumped to chapter number 12. Now after chapter number 12, now we are going to do chapter number 11. Why? Because that was a story, long story. Okay, so I had mentioned to you already. Then this is a poem. So chapter number 8 was also a poem. So that's why in middle of two poems I have started, or I have begun one chapter. Then that chapter, after that chapter I am going to start a poem. Okay, so what is the poem? Poem is about a Marogue. You know what is Marogue? Marogue is an alien, the special alien which belongs to Mars, the aliens which come from Mars to our planet Earth. They residents of that planet, the aliens, they are especially called Marogue. Okay, so Marogue is the name of this alien character. Okay, this is an alien who have come to Earth. Okay, this is only an imaginary and fiction poem. What is fiction? Which is not real, only the imagination of a poet. So this is very interesting poem. So before we start this poem, we look at the page number 102. Some warm up is given there. So let's see what is given in the warm up. Work in pairs. Okay, in pair you can make a pair with your elder brother or sister, or either you can make pair with your parents, mother, father, grandfather, grandmother, uncle, auntie, whatever. Okay, so this is a work to be done in pair. So make your pair with anybody around you. Take turns to ask your partner these questions and complete the table. Means one by one you will ask this question to one another. Means first you will ask this question to your partner, then your partner will ask this question to you, and you will note down with pencil. You will note down the answers with pencil. What are the questions given? There are 4 questions. So you should ask one question to your partner. Name a film based on aliens. Do you know any film or any movie's name which is based on aliens? Aliens means the creatures, those who come to Earth from the other planet. Okay, you might have seen so many movies. Just like I have seen the movie Koi Mil Gaya in Bollywood. Okay, Hrithik Roshan, Jadoo. Okay, there was a little creature which come from the other planet, alien, that was of blue color, short heighted, which has some magical powers in it. Okay, so like that. So Koi Mil Gaya is one movie of Hollywood. I know that Transformers and Transporter. So there are so many movies which are based on aliens. So you can ask one another and you can write the name here with pencil. Second question. Do you think life exists on other planets? In our solar family, okay, solar system, we have 8 planets and one star, that is sun. These 8 planets revolves around the sun. But out of these 8 planets, as we believe that only Earth has the existence of life, means different type of animals, different type of human beings, and different type of trees, plants, they are also living things. Okay, water animals, birds. Okay, so do you think life exists on the other planets than Earth? Do you believe this? Yes or no, you can write here with pencil. Do you know what crop circles are? Crop circles. Have you seen that movie Joker of Akshay Kumar? Huh? That was a, I think, 10 years old movie, Joker, in which Akshay Kumar was in the lead role. So there are some circles, some designs which are made in the on the crops of farmers. Suppose like this is a farm, and there are some different designs, means these are the curds. Overnight these curds appears, and when you see from the distance height, so you will find this type of designs, different designs. What does these crop circles, they show that some aliens has appeared on the earth overnight, and they made it during only a few time period, they made it. This is not the work of any human, this may be the work of aliens. So these are the clues, these are the hints which tells us that the aliens exist. And some UFOs, you know, this is UFO, unidentified objects, UFOs. Okay, these type of spaceships, they have been noticed or seen in the different parts of the earth. So that's why these are the crop circles. Do you know that what crop circles are? So if you type this in your Google, in your mobile, if you type this and search on Google that what are crop circles, you will find so many pictures of the crop circles, and you can study them, you can read more about the crop circles, what they are. So you can write here, yes I know, or you can write, oh no I don't know what is crop circle. Fourth question, if you meet an alien, suppose if you meet an alien, will you be friendly towards it? Will you become a friend of it, or be scared of it, whether either you will become the friend, or you will become means you will scared of it. So what is your answer? If you are scared, you can write, of course I will be scared, or you can write the answer, no I will be friendly with the alien. So these are the answers to be written in the book with pencil only, don't use pen. Okay, now we are going to read this poem. Okay, and we are going to try to understand this poem. But before we understand this poem, first let's read this poem. Okay, read this poem about an alien that lives hidden. Hidden means छुपा हुआ है. Among us in our classroom, and this is invisible. We cannot visualize, or we cannot see it, because this is in invisible form in the classroom, and even goes to school. And this is an alien which is disappeared or invisible, and it sits along with us in the classroom, and we don't know about it. And why? Because it is hidden in the classroom in the invisible form, so we cannot see it. So he is still this is the imagination of the poet, and they want to express that what happens when the alien is present in the classroom. but we cannot see it. So let's first read this poem, then I will explain you. Okay. My desk is. You have noticed this, desk apostrophe then s. My desk is at the back of the class. You can see the Marov, he is sitting at the back side of at the last bench of the class. So my desk is at the back of the class and nobody knows, but nobody knows, किसी को नहीं मालूम, nobody knows I am a Marov from Mars. Nobody knows that I am a Marov from Mars. Mars is the name of a planet which is nearby to Earth. Okay, next to Earth the planet is Mars, Mangal Grah. And with a body of brass. Brass is a metal. Okay, just like, okay, I will explain you. And 17 fingers and toes. I have 17, just like we human have 5 in right hand, 5 fingers in left hand, total 10 fingers in our hands. And how many toes? Toes means the fingers in our feet. So in our feet, one foot we have 5 toes and the other foot we have 5 toes. So we have 20 fingers and toes, including fingers and including toes we have 20. But the Marov, how many he had? He had 17 fingers and toes. Wouldn't they shriek if they knew I have 3 eyes in the back of my head? In the back of my head, back side of my head. Can you see in the picture? He has 3 eyes in the back of my head, and my hair is purple, bright purple. Can you see the hairs? Yes, this hairstyle. Nowadays, so many boys they grow this type of hair and they color it like the alien. Okay, so I have, and my hair is bright purple. My nose is deep blue in color. You can see in the picture, his nose is deep blue in picture, the color. And my teeth are half yellow and half red. Can you see in the picture? Half upper side teeth are yellow and downside teeth are red. My 5 arms are silvered and spiked. Can you see in the picture? He has 3 hands, 3 arms on the right hand and 2 arms on the left hand. Means he had 5 hands. Okay, 5 hands, and they are silver in color. Silver color, just like steel, just like a metal, steel, silver color, and they are spiked. Spiked means very, very sharp, nukile, tej. Okay, just like your knife. Knife is also sharp, na? So this is spiked means sharp, very, very spiced, nukila hai, bahut nukila hai. Okay, just like your knife, it is spiked. With knives on them, sharper than spears, and on my fingers. These are made of metal, and they are very, very sharp like knife. Okay, and spears is sharper than spears. Spears means bhala. Have you seen the spears? Spears are also used in fighting the battle in the olden times. Okay, have you seen these spears? These are called spears. This is a very dangerous weapon which was used in the olden age in the fight or battle. भाला फेंक करके मारते थे ना, that is spears. So it is sharper than spears. I could go back right now. I could go back right now to my home, Mars planet, if I liked. But if I liked, and return in a million light years, and I will return after million light years. What are light years? I will explain you. Okay. I could gobble them all. I could gobble them. Gobble means निगल जाना. I will gobble them all. For I am 7 foot tall. 7 foot. Okay. I am 5 foot. My height is 5 foot. Your height might be 4 foot or 3.5 foot. Okay. In your 5th class, you might be of 4 foot. I am of 5 foot and 5 foot and some inch. So 7 foot means, you can imagine that 7 foot means how much? Very long. So his height is 7 feet long. So he could gobble all the students in the classroom. Okay. And I am breathing green flames from my ears. Can you see in the picture? These are the blue ears, and from blue ears he is breathing flames. फ्लेम्स मीन्स आग की लपटें, उसके कानों में से आग की लपटें निकल रही हैं. ओके. एंड ग्रीन कलर की फ्लेम्स निकल रही, ग्रीन कलर्स फ्लेम फ्रॉम माई ईयर्स. वुडंट दे येल इफ दे न्यू, इफ दे गेज्ड दैट अ मरोग वॉज हियर? Ha ha ha. They haven't a clue. They haven't any clue. They don't have any hint that I am here. Or they would tremble in fear. Or they would tremble. Tremble means shivering in fear. डर के मारे कांपने लग जाना. Look, look, a marog. Look, look, a marog. They would all scream. Scream means चिल्लाना, जोर जोर से चीखना. They would all scream and smack. Smack, झटका लग जाना. Shock. The backboard would fall. The blackboard or this whiteboard would fall down. And the ceiling would crack. Everywhere the ceiling would be cracked, because they will shout, the all students, if they knew that I am here, or so they would start screaming. चिल्ला चोट शुरू कर देंगे. A teacher would faint. Okay, the teacher would faint. Faint means चक्कर आ जाना, बेहोश हो जाना. The teacher would faint, I suppose. But I would grin to myself. Grin means smiling, laughing very slowly. It's like so he will be grinning to himself. वो खुद ही चुपचाप हंसता रहता है. Sitting right at the back. Sitting right at the last bench of the class, and nobody knows that I am a marog. So this was the poem. Now I am going to explain you very very deeply. I am going to explain you line wise. Okay. So my desk is, better one word is written there, desk, then apostrophe, then s. It means desk is. What does it mean? My desk, it is a short form. Okay. Desk is. Okay. That is written like that. With the help of apostrophe, we short the we combine two different words with each other like this. We can show this like this. Okay. That we have already studied in our English grammar topic. Okay. Desk is. Okay. It is a short form. My desk is at the back of the class. Who is saying that? That alien, Marog. He is telling that my desk is at the back of the class. And nobody knows. But nobody knows. किसी को भी नहीं पता that I am in the class. I am a Marog from Mars. That nobody knows that I am an alien. I am a Marog from the Mars planet. Nobody knows. with a body of brass. You can see in the picture the body is in yellow color. You know what is brass? Brass is a metal, just like iron, steel. These are the metal, na? So brass you might have seen in the temples. If you have seen the ghanti, okay, that is made of brass, yellow in color. Suppose I could make it. Have you seen this? Okay. Have you seen this bell? That is a bell which we ring when we enter into the temple. That is of yellow color. That metal is called brass. Pital. Pital in Hindi we call it pital. Pital की घंटी होती है. Okay. So my body is made up of that metal, brass. Okay. And 17 fingers and toes. How many arms? 3 and 2. 5 arms. In 5 arms are how many fingers and toes? 17 fingers and toes. Generally the human, we have 20 fingers, but he has 17 fingers and toes. Toes means the fingers of feet. They are called toes. And fingers in our hand, they are called fingers. Okay. So 10 in hands and 10 in feet. Wouldn't they shriek if they knew? Wouldn't they? They means who? Wouldn't they means he is telling that wouldn't they means all the students and teacher. He is saying that wouldn't they shriek? Shriek means चिल्लाना, चीखना. Wouldn't they? Wouldn't मतलब नहीं चीखेंगे क्या? Would not. Again this is the short form wouldn't. Wouldn't means it is the short form of would plus not. Okay, this is the short form of would not, will not, would not. So it is the short form wouldn't. क्या वो चीखेंगे नहीं? अगर उनको पता चल गया तो क्या ये सब बच्चे और टीचर चीखने नहीं लग जाएंगे? I have 3 eyes in the back of my head. If they see, if all the student and the teacher, if they see my eyes on the head, back of the head, wouldn't they shriek? क्या वो चिल्ला नहीं पड़ेंगे? Again, I have, I then HVE. This is again the short form. I plus have. So this is the short form of I have. That I have. Okay. 3 eyes in the back of my head, and my hair is bright purple. Can you see his hair? Bright purple in color. My nose is deep blue. My nose is deep blue. And my teeth are half yellow and half red. Wouldn't they shriek if they notice me, if they could see me? Today I am invisible. But if I show myself to them, wouldn't they shriek? क्या वो चिल्ला नहीं पड़ेंगे? My 5 arms are silver and spiked. My 5 arms are silver and spiked. Spiked means तेज, नुकीले हैं मेरे 5 arms. With knives on them and with knife. चाकू भी लगे हुए हैं उसमें. Sharper. Knife on them, sharper than spears. Sharper, इससे भी ज्यादा तेज धार वाले. That is sharper than spears. भाले से भी तेज है मेरे हाथ. I could go back right now if I liked. If I liked, if I wish. अगर मैं चाहूं तो मैं अभी वापस मार्स जा सकता हूं. I can return, go back to my planet Mars. But only if I like. अगर मेरी इच्छा हुई तो. And return in 1,000,000 light years. And how many years I will return after? 1,000,000 light years. Million means 1 million is equal to 10 lakh. Okay. Ones, tens, okay, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, and then 10 lakh. Okay, 10 lakh. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So 10 lakh is equal to 1 million. Okay, 1 million is equal to 10 lakh. And years, 1 million years is equal to 10 lakh years. Okay, 1 million year is equal to 10 lakh years. But he is talking about millions light years. 1 year, in 1 year we have 365 days, 12 months. Means in 1 year you passed your one class and you go to the other class. Means in 1 year you cleared your 5th class. So that is only 1 year. And 1 light year, you know what is light year? You know that is sun. That sun gives its light to us. Okay, from where we get the light? We get the natural light from sun. Every day in the morning when sun rises, it falls some rays on us, on the planet. Okay, so the distance of sun and earth is a very long distance. Okay, light can travel. Light, do you know what is the speed of light when it falls from sun to our earth? What is the speed of light? Can you imagine the speed of light? Okay, in 1 minute, how many distance you can cover? In 1 minute, 60 seconds, how many distance you can cover? I can cover in 1 minute, I think I can cover 100 meter, 200 meter only. Okay, in if I go by car, so my car's speed is 60 kilometers per hour. Means in 1 hour, 1 घंटे में I can travel 60 kilometers by using car, because my car's speed is 60 kilometers per hour. Okay, 60 kilometers. But can you imagine what is the speed of light? Light can travel 3 lakhs, around 3 lakhs kilometers in 1 second only. 3 lakh kilometers per second. Means within 1 second, light can travel 3 lakh kilometers. 3 lakh kilometers. But even then, when the first ray starts from the sun and it falls on the earth, it takes around 8 minutes to cover this distance. Means how many million of kilometers it travels in 8 minutes. Only in 8 minutes. In 8 minutes it takes to come the light from sun to earth. It means there are lakhs or millions kilometers distance is from sun to earth. Now, if light can travel 3 lakh kilometers in 1 second, so in 1 minute, how can you calculate? In 1 minute means 60 seconds. How many kilometers it will travel? Then in 1 minute, then in 1 hour, can you imagine? Then in 1 hour, then in 1 day, how much kilometer it can cover? So if in 1 day it can cover so much distance, lakhs of kilometers in 24 hours, in 1 day. So can you imagine in 1 year, means 365 days, millions of kilometers it can, billions of kilometers it can travel within 1 year. So the distance covered by a light in 1 year, that distance is called 1 light year. It is a very, very big distance. So he is saying that if I like, I can go to my planet back and I will return in a millions light years. Not only in 1 light year, millions light years after I can come back. Now turn the page. I could gobble them all. Who could gobble? Marog. Marog could gobble. Gobble means निगल जाना, खा जाना, पूरा आपका अक्खा पेट में उतार देना. ओके, पूरा के पूरा निगल जाना. दैट इज कॉल्ड gobble. I could gobble them all. Them means all the students and teachers, those who are in the class. I can gobble them all. उन सबको खा सकता हूं मैं. For I am 7 foot tall, because my height is 7 foot tall. So मैं सबको खा सकता हूं. And I am breathing green flames from my ears. मेरे कान में से लपटें निकल रही है, आग की लपटें. कौन से कलर की? ग्रीन कलर की. Wouldn't they yield if they knew? Wouldn't. Again, would not. Would not means wouldn't. Wouldn't they yell? Yell means चिल्लाना, जोर से चीखना, scream. Wouldn't they yell if they knew? अगर उनको पता चल गया तो नहीं चिल्लाएंगे क्या? If they guessed. Guessed means अगर उनको थोड़ी सी भनक लग गई, हिंट मिल गया, that a marog was here, कि यहां इस क्लास में एक मरोग है. अगर उनको जरा सी भी भनक लग गई, if they guessed, ha ha ha, they haven't a clue, but they haven't a clue, but उनको तो पता ही नहीं है. they haven't a clue, कोई क्लू ही नहीं है, उनको तो कोई आइडिया ही नहीं है. और they would tremble in fear, और they would tremble in fear, डर के मारे कांपने लगेंगे अगर उनको पता चल गया तो. Look, look, a marog. How would they react? जब बच्चों को पता चलेगा तो कैसे रिएक्ट करेंगे? Look, look, a marog. देखो एक मरोग है. They would all scream. They would. They would. This is again the short form. They means Vesab. Would. This is the short form. They would. They will. They would. They would all scream. वो सब चिल्लाना शुरू कर देंगे. And smack. और बिल्कुल झटका लग जाएगा उनको, शॉक हो जाएंगे. The blackboard would fall. वो पूरा ब्लैकबोर्ड नीचे गिर पड़ेगा. And the ceiling would crack. और पूरी दीवारों पे क्या आ जाएंगे? क्रैक्स आ जाएंगे ना, दरारें आ जाएंगी. A teacher would faint. And the teacher who would be present there faint. बेहोशी हो जाएंगे, चक्कर आ जाएंगे. I suppose, ऐसा मुझे लगता है. Who suppose? मरोग. But I would grin to myself. But I would grin to myself. Grin means smile. I would smiling myself. लेकिन मैं तो मजे ले रहा हूं. Sitting right at the back. And sitting right at the back of the class. And nobody knows. और किसी को नहीं पता, किसी को भी नहीं पता that I am present in the class. So this is an interesting poem which was written by R.C. Scriven, and there are some word meanings which are given here. One word meaning shriek. Shriek means a high pitched scream, जोर से चीखना. That is high pitched. High pitched means बहुत ज्यादा ऊंची आवाज में. Scream, चीखना, चिल्लाना. Light year, the distance that light travels in 1 year. In 1 year, the distance which is covered by light. It is used as a unit of measuring distances in the space. When you measure the distance in the space, it is so long space distance from one planet to other planet, or from one galaxy to other galaxy, from one universe to other universe. If you want to measure a distance, generally it is measured in the light year. Okay, it is a very big distance, light year. Gobble. On the next page we have gobble, eat quickly. कप सबको खा जाना. That is gobble. Tremble means shiver with fear. डर के मारे कांपना. ओके, एक तो हम कांपते हैं कब? जब सर्दी या ठंड लगती है, तो that is different. Shiver with cold, and shiver with fear, और एक डर के मारे कांपना. ओके, so these are the 4 word meanings which you should note down. and then after word meanings we will I will write the dictation words, and after dictation word the third thing you need to do, you need to note down these 8 lines, no sorry 10 lines, 5 lines of first stanza, 5 lines of second stanza, means these 10 lines you should note down in your CW notebook in good handwriting, in cursive writing. You can decorate, you can make a picture of Marog or any alien you can make, or you can make the draw the galaxy, universe, spacecraft, whatever you want to draw related to alien. You can draw anything in the background of this writing poem, and when you write this poem, the 10 lines of the poem you should write in cursive handwriting. Okay, this is the third thing. First thing is word meanings, second thing is dictation words, which I am going to give you in the next video. So dictation word, and third thing writing 10 lines of the poem. Whatever you can want to do first, you can do first it. Means if you want to write the poem first, then you can write the poem first, then secondly you can write the word meaning, and the thirdly you can write the dictation words. Okay, if you want to note down the poem first, so you can start with the poem. Okay, that's okay. So these 3 things you need to do now. Okay, so first you, and at the end of the 10 line you can note down the name of the poet, R.C. Scriven. Okay, that you need to remember, in the exam it could be asked. Okay, in the next video, 80 number video, I will explain you these question answers, and then we will note down the dictation words, so you will note it down. Then we will solve the book exercise also, and some extra questions, extra exercise we will also do that. Okay, so till then, take care, bye.